Hi everyone, today we're going to clean up the scope on my Marlin guide gun. The hunting season is over and I'm storing my rifles. And before doing so, I'd like to give a good cleanup. And now I've reached the scope part, and as you can see, the scope is really dirty. And what I'm afraid of is in the process of cleaning that to actually scratch the glass with all the dirt and grime that is caked on the scope. And the front as well. The front is not that bad, but it's a lot of things. So I called Burris because my original plan was to actually submerge that scope in soapy water, wait a little bit, and then, with a gentle brush trying to removing. But actually, even though, the scope can be submerged under a few feet of water for a couple of hours, they did not recommend to willingly submerge the scope. And I guess that's because, there's a lot of threadings and all that, and the water will take time to actually dry off from this part. So, he was more concerned about drying the scope rather than whether the scope will take damage. He say it will not void the warranty, but he did not recommend it. So I will not run after trouble. I'll follow his advice. I will just use a spraying bottle with some soapy water, and I will spray that scope. And what I'll try to be very, very careful of is to remove as much dirt I can without even touching the lens with a cloth or nothing. So I will try to remove as much as possible with just spraying some soapy water here, and after I will use a very, very light brush to dislodge what I can. And yeah, let's see where this leads. So I'm learning here. This is the first time that I'm going to do this, and we'll see how it's gonna turn out. Alright, so to begin, I'll start with two brushes. So I have one brush that is super soft and another one that is a little bit stiffer. I will start with the soft brush, and then after I'll continue with the stiffer one. Here I have some soapy water, and it's soapy enough that it will lubricate. You want that soapy water to act like a lubricant. These lenses are coated, and we do not want any great kind of scratch the lenses. So that hot water needs to dissolve anything that is caked on the lens, and as those things are being dislodged, you also want these individual pieces of grit to have some soap to them so they don't scratch the surface of your lens. So I'm using I'm using a spray, and that hot water I'm gonna send it into the soap. And I'm already happy with what I'm seeing right now because it's kind of working. And I'll do some more here. Wow, this is amazing. I don't know if you can see this, but like I got 99.99% of all the stuff already gone. And I had blood and mud on this thing. Maybe if I can refocus a bit. Hey, you can see me. Hello. So this is working really well. I'll just continue spraying a bit. I could have been doing this outside, but I don't know, figure. going to wet my brush here. Just like this. Okay. Do not put the brush into dirty water. So keep it somewhere else where it will not pick up grit. And now I'm going to spray some more. So last thing you want is to actually have the soap to kind of dry on your scope. So you want to remove as much soap as possible. So still using lukewarm water. Now that I'm done with the water, I'm going to open these cap to make sure that any water that entered, the threading will dry off. And I will dry. I will not wipe the lens with the Scott towel here. I will actually let the lens just dry. If there are any water stains on them, we'll deal with them shortly. But yeah, you can give it a good shake, and then let's see how it looks once this has dried on its own. Okay, so the scope has dried out, and it's really clean, really clean. I don't know if you can pick it up. The only thing we have left now are some water stains on the coating of the lens, and I'm sure we can clean this up easily. Okay, so I'm seeing tiny specks of dust. Next is I'm gonna use some lens cleaning tissue paper. So if you've seen this before, so it's like, whoa, almost fell. This sort of material that you rip out. To remove the water stains. And this seems to be doing the trick. pretty much. Not 100% lint free by all means, so it leaves a little bit of a, you know, tiny dust speckle, but nothing that the this thing can get rid of. And same thing for the front lens. And honestly, I'm super happy compared to what it looked like an hour ago, seriously. Look at that. It's like ready for next deer season. Couldn't be happier.